Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 4.4, question number 5. A tangent ST to a circle touches it at B. AB is a chord such that angle ABT is 65 degree. Find angle AOB where O is the center of the circle. Look at this figure. Tangent ST. Here, this tangent ST and meet the circle at the point B. Center is O. This point is A. Here, AB is the chord. Here, AB is the chord of the circle and angle ABT is 65 degrees. Angle ABT is 65 degrees. Now, we have to find the angle AOB. Angle AOB. Here, we know that angle OBT equal 90 degree. The reason is OB, the radius, and BT is tangent. That means OB is perpendicular to BT. Now, therefore, angle OBT is 90 degree and angle OBA equal angle OBT minus angle ABT. Then angle OBT is 90 minus 65 equal is 25 degrees. Angle OBA equal to 25 degrees. Now, angle OBA is 15 degree. Also, angle OAB angle OBA also 25 degrees since isosceles because the radius are equal. Therefore, OA equal OB. OA equal to OB. Therefore, this triangle is isosceles. Base angles are equal. Now, in triangle AOB, OAB plus OAB plus OBA, OAB plus OBA and AOB equal 180 degrees because sum of three angles to the triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, 25 OBA is 25, OBA is 25 and OAB is 25 OBA. Here OBA and OAB. OAB is also 25. OAB is 25. OBA is 25 plus AOB equal 180. Therefore angle AOB is 180 minus 25 plus 25 is 50. Therefore angle AOB equal 180 minus 50 is 130 degrees. We got it. Next question number 6. In figure, O is the center of a circle with radius 5 centimeter. Here OP is 5. With T is a point such that OT is 13 centimeter and OT intersect the circle at E. If AB is a tangent to a circle at E, AB is also a tangent to the circle. Find the length of AB. Here in triangle OPT, in triangle OPT, OP is radius, OP is radius. The radius R, therefore R equal 5 centimeter given. OT, here OT is 13 centimeter given. PT, then PT we can find PT is OT square minus OT square minus OP square root, because by Pythagoras square root of 13 square minus 5 square, which is equal 169 minus 25 equal 144 equal 12 centimeter. PT is 12 centimeter. Now in triangle OPA, in triangle OPA, in triangle OPA, look, this one is here OPA. Triangle OPA, we can say at point P is 90 degree. Therefore OA square equal OP square plus OP square plus AP square by Pythagoras, and triangle like that. In triangle OAE, look at this triangle OAE, OA square triangle OAE, this is a 90 degree triangle here. In triangle OAE, OA square equal OE square plus AE square by Pythagoras. Then let it be this 1, this is 2. Equating 1 and 2, both are OA square. Therefore 1 equal 2, equation 1 equal 2. Therefore OP square plus AP square equal OE square plus AE square. OE square plus AE square. Both are here. OP is radius also. Both are equal. And therefore, we can say OP here AP equal to AE. AP equal to AE. Since AP is radius, also AP equal to AE. Here OP and OE at OP equal to OE. OP equal OE. Both are radius. OP equal OE. Both are radius for the circle. Therefore, both are equal. From that, we can say OP square is equal OE square. Both cut. Therefore, AP square equal AE square. Further, it is square root AP equal AE. Here AP equal to AE and BQ equal to EB also. OP equal OE. Here we got OP equal OE. Then also here angle APA, APO and OEO are 90 degrees. So it's a kite. We can say it's a figure of kite. In that BQ equal to EB. How BQ equal to, similarly for the downside figure in OEBQ, same like OPAE. That means this figure also similar to. Now we can say similarly, you can say BQ equal EB. Now in triangle AET, in triangle AET, because angle AET is 90 degree, therefore AT square equal AE square plus ET square. AT square equal AE square plus ET square by Pythagoras. Therefore, ET square minus AE square. Here, which is difference of square, you can write AT plus AE, AT minus AE. Further, AT plus AE, AT plus AE. Here, AE is also equal to EB. So instead of AE, we can write EB. AT AT plus AP. AE equal to AP. Therefore, instead of AP, instead of AE, you can write AP. AE equal, because both are tangent, AP is equal to AE. Instead of AE, we are writing AP here. And same, we can write AT minus AE, which is equal AT plus AP, and now ET square is 8 into 8, which is given, is AT plus AP is 80. We got is a 12. 80 plus AP is, that is a PT. PT is 12 we have already. So we can write here 8 into 8 is 12 into 80 minus AE. Further, therefore we can write 80 minus AE regarding this. 80 minus AE equal 8 into 8 over 12, which is equal 16 by 3. Let it be 3. Equation 3. Now 80 plus AE, 80 plus AE equal 80 plus AE equal 80 plus AP. 80 plus AP. 80 plus AE, 80 plus AE equal same 80 plus AP you can write, because AE and AP is equal. Therefore, we can say 80 plus AE equal 80 plus AP, which is equal PT, because 80 plus AP is PT, which is equal further 12. Equation 4. Now adding 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4, 280, because here 80 minus AE plus 80 plus AE equal 16 by 3 plus 12. Both side. 16 by 3 is right side of the equation 3, and 12 is right side of 4. Now here AE and AE cut, therefore 280 equal, LCM is 3, 16 plus 36, because 3 into 12 is 36. Here 42, 52 by 3. Here 280 is okay. 280 is 56 by 3. Therefore 80 equal 56 by 6 is equal 20, 52, not 56. 52 by 3 is 26 by 26 by 3. So we got AT is 26 by 3. Also further we have AE equal AT minus AE already we have, that is equal 26 by 3 minus 16 by 3, which is equal 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Now similarly you can say EB is also equal 10 by 3 because A equal to EB. Then AB equal to AE plus EB, which is equal 10 by 3 plus 10 by 3 is 20 by 3 centimeters. So we got AB. Here AB we got. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.